morning students. Today we will be discussing about a problem on a series RLC circuit. So before discussing, let us first know the question, what it is saying. A series RLC circuit having the value of resistance R equal to 10 ohm, L is given to you, that is 0.2 Henry, capacitance C is given, that is 10 microfarad, is connected across the 100 volt 50 hertz supply, and you have to calculate the current and the power factor. So all of the R, L and C I have connected in series with the voltage supply, AC voltage supply, that is your 100 volt, and your frequency is 50 hertz. So let me first write down the things that is given to me. R is given to me, that is 10 ohm. L is given as 0.2 Henry. C is given to me, that is 100 microfarad. I will be converting microfarad to farad, so it will be 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Voltage is given to me as 100 volts and the frequency is given as 50 hertz. So I have to calculate the current and the power factor. So to calculate the current and the power factor, I should first know the impedance, and the formula for impedance is Z is equal to root over of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. I know the value of the resistance R, that is already given in the question, but I don't know the value of XL and XC. So before calculating Z, I will calculate XL. XL is given by the formula 2 pi F into L, and 2 pi is the constant term, so I will be writing 2 pi. The frequency that is given to me is 50 hertz and the inductance that is given as 0.2 Henry. So this value I will be getting as 2 into the value of pi is 3.14, 50 into 0.2. After calculating this product, I will be getting as 62.8 ohms. I got the value of XL. Now I also don't know the value of XC, so I will be calculating XC, which is given by the formula 1 by 2 pi F into C. I know the value of the frequency, I know the value of the capacitance, so I will be substituting the value 1 by 2 pi into 50 into 100 into 10 to the power minus 6. After calculating this value, I will be getting as 31.8 ohms. I got the value of XC to be 31.8 ohms. Now I will be calculating Z. As I have already told, the value of Z is the root over of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. I know the value of R, that is given in the question as 10. So this will be 10 square plus I got the value of XC, that is 62.8, and I got the value of XL to be 62.8 and the value of XC is 32.8 whole square. This is 10 whole square, that is 100, plus this value I will be getting 30 square root over. After calculating, I will be getting the value of Z to be 32.57. This is the value of the impedance, but in the question it is being asked to calculate the value of the current, that is I, and I know that the value of the current, that is I, will be voltage upon impedance. The voltage is given to me as 100 and the value of impedance is, just now I got to be 32.57. So the value of the current is coming out to be 3.07 and the unit is ampere. Next I have to calculate calculate the power factor. The power factor, that is cos phi, for a series RLC circuit is denoted by R by Z. I know that the value of the R is 10 ohms, that is already given, and I calculated the value of Z to be 32.57. After dividing 10 by 32.57, I will be getting 0.307. This is my power factor. So I got the value of the current to be 3.07 ampere.